Hey there, Bear Fam. Welcome to another episode of Bear Thoughts. Composting is beautiful. It's part of human history, a natural process of decomposition. Organic matter is gradually broken down by microorganisms, fungi, and animals to receive this gorgeous, dark, loamy soil that's rich in nutrients. It's what's commonly known now as black gold. Over time, we've been witnessing a culture that is tending towards bringing back composting. Households in Bangalore are encouraged to segregate their waste. The wet waste is collected, composted to create black gold, which is then put back into the soil. We're slowly working as a community to create a closed loop system, enriching the same place that we once took from. By fostering this culture amongst this generation, we can create a system where we are significantly reducing the burden laid on landfills and at the same time nourishing our current systems. What about the waste that you have lying around already? Take your wet waste, for example. How do you manage that? And that's where Daily Dump steps in, a company that we look up to and have collaborated with several times over the years. A design-led company, Daily Dump uses it to imagine alternative scenarios that can help change behavior. By looking at systems as a whole and understanding that India has its own unique challenges, Daily Dump's objective is to reduce waste, improve material recovery, enable better livelihoods, and to do this through voluntary collective action of urban citizens. Daily Dump has helped make composting super easy through their innovative product, the Khamba. It's an apparatus that can be used to compost waste at home. Their unique solutions can be used at homes, at office spaces, and at shared community spaces, and so many more use case scenarios as well. They're a business that's truly making composting the norm by offering the most practical and simple solutions suitable for our daily lives. You owe to check out Daily Dump right now. With pioneering brands such as Daily Dump, we've covered wet, biodegradable waste that has been taken care of. But what about dry, non-biodegradable waste? What do we do about that? By segregating it, we can hand it over to our waste collectors who are subject matter experts and would responsibly manage it. But what if you don't need to hand it over to anyone else and could close the loop on it too all by yourself? Sounds absurd? It's really not. That's where compostable packaging comes in. What if your everyday necessities, which you would typically throw out, were to be packaged in a compostable packaging? And by that, you wouldn't have to throw anything out. And that's exactly what we have worked to innovate with our compostable packaging for our home care necessities. Our plastic-free home care necessities are made out of compostable paper, vegetable inks, and tree resin. When you're done using it, simply toss out the empty refill sachet into your compost bin and allow nature to take its course. It will fully decompose, but we encourage you to cut it into little pieces for quicker composition. And you know what? If you don't have a compost bin, which honestly we really implore that you do, you can also stick the packaging into a little pit in the dirt because it's completely biodegradable. But what are our refill sachets made of that they are so compost friendly? Firstly, it's made of paper. Our sachets are made using compostable paper. It's sturdy, keeping the product intact, and helps our customers to close the loop in the best way possible. Secondly, it has vegetable dye ink. Did you know that digital dyes are not compostable? We did our research and realized that we had to innovate with vegetable dye ink in order to ensure that we were creating compostable sachets. Tree resin. Our sachets had to be glued together, right? And to keep them tightly wound up together, we had tree resin glue them up to ensure they stay straight and tight, never letting go. And we skipped the PVA. We chose not to move forward with PVA because it can break down into smaller plastics, contaminating groundwater. PVA essentially stands for polyvinyl alcohol, a synthetic plastic polymer that is often used to make thin layers of plastic wrapping and lining, like the wrapping of dishwashers. PVA is a type of plastic, and while it is designed to dissolve, it doesn't necessarily disappear. A study that we looked at suggested that over 75% of PVA persists in our waterways and our soil after it dissolves in laundry and dishwashing machines, and it flows through wastewater and ultimately back into the environment. And voila, there you have it, a packaging that's truly compostable. It was a long, crafty road to create one of the first truly compostable refill sachets for home care products in India. We're not a paper company, but we now have a trick or two about paper and its formula to stick to our circular principles, creating something we are so proud of. Another example of a brand pioneering compostable packaging is Notpla. This brand creates flexible pouches and packaging out of seaweed that's completely edible, and it's biodegradable in about 4 to 6 weeks. The material looks a lot like plastic, except it's not. It's water soluble and has the strength to hold sauces, condiments, and other foods. Notpla offers plastic-free biodegradable solutions for single-serve liquids and powders. It disappears without leaving any microplastics behind. Lush is a brand that we look up to for inspiration. They're a cosmetics company and are known for their naked packaging concept, essentially meaning that their major products such as solid shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and soaps are sold without an external packaging as in a regular soap. This way, minimizing waste and creating an eco-conscious solution by design. Oat Shoes is a brand that's pioneering compostable shoes, and their collection is for adults and babies too. This design innovation will avoid polymers in shoes from entering oceans. Composting is a natural process and can now be considered an integral step towards a more sustainable future. With innovations promoting compostable packaging, we are now closing the loop on waste and reducing our environmental impact. As a consumer, choose to actively support brands that prioritize circular principles to contribute to a greener future. And with that, we come to the end of this week's episode of Bare Thoughts. And until next time, let's continue to make zero waste living the norm and not the exception.